Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I feel like I should be saying the Pledge of Allegiance. We've got a 1969 AMX Go Pack car, and it's a tribute to the Hurst Super Stock edition that they made and raced back in the day. They made 52 of the race cars. This is not one of those, but it's decked out to look just like one. 390 motor, power steering, power brakes, factory side exhaust. It's a cool car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the information, study the pictures top to bottom, and that's where you'll find a price tag on every car we have for sale, along with the monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, AMC's stance on racing, they said the only race they cared about was the human race. Well, that changed in the late 60s when they got more involved in the racing. These are their corporate colors. They used these colors to make a splash. They didn't have the big advertising budget that the other companies had. Like the Rambler Scrambler, the SC Rambler was red, white, and blue, just bright, just to get noticed. The AMC machine, red, white, and blue, and then of course this one here, but you never see these because only 52 of them were made. And they came with that scoop on the hood and this paint scheme and Cragar wheels. So this is it. This is a real 390 AMX car to begin with. Underneath the car is very nice. They left the factory with undercoat in some places, and then you had the metal. Well, the metal under this car is all clean, smooth. It's painted like a gray, glossy primer, and then you got the undercoat, but it looks to be really dry, clean, rust-free metal under there. It's got disc brakes up front. The brake lines, the brake hoses look like they've been replaced. The front end looks like it's gone through. Doesn't look brand new, but it looks like it's been gone through. Shocks have been replaced. There's not much of an exhaust under the car because it's the side exhaust right here. You'll hear it run towards the end of this video. Looking up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. It's got the automatic transmission. It's got 355 posi gears in the back. Now let's check out the body. Oh, it's slick. This is a bright red up here. This is really slick. It looks like red glass. Again, you got the fiberglass scoop, but the body is excellent. There is a crack in the paint right here and here. There's two cracks in the paint. The body looks good, but it cracked the paint there for some reason. This is all nice and straight, fits really well. The side of the car is absolutely straight. These gaps are precise. No rust down here, no bubbles, no body work showing, no issues. It's all fantastic. The roof is excellent, the quarter panels, this is all nice, clean. I was inside the trunk. There's no splices. I believe they're the original quarter panels. The body is excellent, absolutely straight. This is, you got red glass up front, blue glass back here. That's how nice it is. Yeah, this body is extra, extra clean. Drove through a puddle coming in. There's some water splashed up on each side. No bubbles. Bottom of the doors, this is smooth. Just as smooth down here as it is up here. So I'm going to say the body is outstanding. The paint is slick. It's a high-quality paint finish. Maybe there's a nick or an imperfection here or there. We got a crack that I pointed out. That's really the only significant flaw that I had seen in the paint. This chrome mirror is sparkling like new. This stainless trim is polished like chrome. The windshield's really nice and clear. There's a chip in the paint touched up right here. Headlight bezels, bumper, the bumper looks like show quality. You got red, white, and blue stripes in the grill. The grill's all restored. The lenses are excellent. These bezels look new. So the front end's looking really sharp. Little marker lights are shiny like they're new. I would assume this is a correct antenna in real nice shape. The gutters are polished out real nice. This emblem looks new. There's the red, white, and blue. That's their corporate colors, like I said. The 390 emblem. The rear bumper looks like show quality chrome. Big plastic lens all the way across is not cracked. The chrome is real sharp. Yeah, there's scratches in the back window. This is original. It does have scratches. Door handles are mint. The frosting is real nice. They're not pitted. You do have the chrome Cragar wheels with BF Goodrich tires. They're sparkling like new. Side exhaust, it is a factory option, is aluminum covers. It dumps out. You don't really see it, but it dumps out right at the end there. Now, let's open it up, see what it's got to offer inside. So I'm going to ask a question. Is this considered a sports car? Because it is a two-seater. There's no back seat. Does this compete with a Corvette or with a Camaro and a Mustang? What's your opinion? You can leave your replies. A nice trunk. This is painted slick, new weather strip, and the whole trunk floor is clean and solid. Really nice shape. I didn't see any cuts or splices in the trunk or the quarter panel, so I believe they're original. Got the sticker. Just freaked myself out. I looked up by the hinges and it's red, and I look at the door jamb and back, it's white. I'm like, wait a minute, but yeah. So door jambs are painted real nice. Weather strips are real good. Door panels look like they're in excellent shape. I don't know if they reproduce those or not, but they look like new. Dash pad is really nice. This whole area, the lenses, the heater controls, all really nice and clean, not broken or cracked. It has a clock. It has a tachometer. Wood grain's real nice. It's car number 13,827. Yeah, this is real nice. Little nick right here. Little tiny glove box. Yeah, that's what you fit in there, a pair of gloves. Kick panels look good. Now these are red embroidered carpets. The red's a little obnoxious, but so is the outside of the car. You got nice black carpet under here. And the center console, I was debating, would I prefer it black or red, but that can be changed to your liking. The wood grain, the shift lever is really nice. It's a shift command. But keep in mind, you can spray the console black and eliminate the red floor mats if you desire to do that. It is a tilt column. Does have a custom steering wheel on here, real sharp looking wheel. It's got a set of leather bucket seats. All carpeted in back. That's just the way they were. No back seat. Does have retractable shoulder belts. Headliner is a little bit warped. They're like a plastic headliner. That's the way they were. Visors are real nice. It also has an AM 8-track radio. It lights up, but the radio didn't play. I don't have an 8-track to test that part. So the wheels are the Cragar wheels. That's what would have came on the Super Stock car. Under the hood, we've got a built, pretty stout 390 motor. We had the valve covers off, or I seen them off, and it got roller rockers. It all looks fresh and clean in there. It's got an aluminum intake. This is actually a 401 motor that's in here now. You got an Edelbrock carb. I really like these Offenhauser polished valve covers. You got a set of headers, flamethrower coil, polished aluminum radiator with a chrome shroud. We got power steering and power brakes. Looks like the wiper motor has been restored. Has the washer fluid bag back there. The engine bay is clean metal painted red. Under the hood is new insulation. So it's a sharp looking motor compartment. So I really like this car. We get cars come and go. This is exciting. This is fresh. This is like new meat. This is cool. AMXs are a cool car to begin with. A lot of them I find at brown, bittersweet orange. I mean, this red, white, and blue on a AMX, cool. My father didn't know what it was, and I explained to him that it was a Hurst Super Stock, and this is the way they came, and he had a much bigger appreciation for it once I told him that. But anyway, I think it's a cool piece. I think it's nicely restored. If you like it, you better jump at it, because there won't be another one like this. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help get this delivered to your driveway. They'll help you finance this car at volocars.com. And like I said before, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you're notified when the next exciting video is posted. Thanks for watching.